The action camera market's heating up again, and one of the most anticipated upcoming releases is none other than the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Known for pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation, Insta360 has built a reputation for delivering high-quality products that cater to both amateurs and professional content creators alike. One of the most exciting aspects of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is its rumored leap in video quality. Sources suggest that this new model could support up to 8K video recording capabilities. 8K resolution isn't just a step up from 4K, it's a massive leap that quadruples the number of pixels, allowing for incredibly sharp and detailed footage. This means you can zoom in on scenes without losing quality, making it a deal for professional videographers and content creators who want the highest clarity in their shots. Combined with Insta360's expertise in spherical and 360-degree imaging, the Ace Pro 2 could deliver a fully immersive experience that redefines what's possible with action cameras. The Ace Pro series has always been known for its impressive image stabilization, and the Ace Pro 2 is expected to take this to a whole new level. Insta360's proprietary FlowState technology set a high standard for action camera stabilization, ensuring smooth cinematic footage even during fast-paced activities. Insta360 has always been at the forefront of integrating intelligent features into their products, and the Ace Pro 2 is no exception. Rumors suggest that this model could come equipped with new AI-driven shooting modes that simplify capturing complex shots. Under the hood, the Ace Pro 2 is rumored to feature a completely revamped hardware configuration. This could include a larger image sensor that improves dynamic range and color accuracy, delivering richer and more vibrant footage. A new lens setup might also be in the works, potentially offering wider fields of view and less distortion, ideal for those stunning panoramic and 360-degree shots. Battery life is often a crucial factor for action cameras, and it seems Insta360 is addressing this with the Ace Pro 2. Reports indicate that the battery capacity might see a significant boost, possibly providing up to 30% more usage time compared to the Ace Pro. This would translate into several hours of continuous recording, even at higher resolutions like 6K or 8K. Price is always a key consideration when it comes to new tech releases, and early estimates suggest that the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 could be priced in the $500 to $600 range. While there's no official word yet from Insta360 regarding the launch date of the Ace Pro 2, industry insiders are speculating that the camera could be unveiled at CES. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch, and get ready to explore new creative possibilities with Insta360's latest masterpiece.